This screen is accessed by authorized users only as it contains critical system configuration. In this video, we will explain how this setup protects your business from costly mistakes. These controls serve as the primary defense against systemic financial and operational errors. Within the General Settings hierarchy, the Benefit Payment Setup contains the precise configurations for accommodation and furniture benefits. The Allowance Setup screen acts as a centralized hub. From here, you define allowance types, assign them to specific departments, and establish nationality-based rules for the workforce. Imagine a complex business operating entirely without these restrictive system controls. An unconfigured ERP is an active liability. Every blank field represents a potential point of catastrophic failure for the organization. These specific fields, allowance type, department, and position, direct every cent of company capital to the correct ledger. Without these assignments, HR staff struggle to distinguish between a basic salary component and a separate benefit, leading to corruption in multi-departmental data. Hinawi prevents this by locking the allowance type once a salary is set. In a chaotic, unconfigured environment, that safeguard is missing. Foundational data controls provide the synchronization required to keep a company from being paralyzed by clerical ambiguity. Setting fixed, minimum, and maximum thresholds creates a mandatory financial envelope for housing benefits. Leaving the maximum field undefined allows unchecked housing allowances to drain payroll budgets through simple data entry errors. These unregulated and inconsistent housing payouts eventually trigger severe workplace friction, leading to bitter internal compensation disputes among frustrated employees. Without strict quantitative parameters, an unmanaged housing budget creates a constant, invisible drain on corporate capital. Pension calculations for both the employee and the company involve complex logic tied strictly to employee nationality. Without nationality-based field blocks, an unauthorized user can accidentally apply local pension rules to an expatriate workforce. This single administrative mistake results in a severe regulatory audit, triggering the immediate arrival of heavy official financial penalties. Properly configured nationality and pension settings function as legal safeguards, preventing the regulatory friction that leads to litigation. This is exactly why this setup exists in Hinawi ERP, to provide full control and prevent problems. This interface acts as a control center, offering oversight to avoid these disaster scenarios. Once finalized, the system creates an unbreakable firewall by fixing the allowance type. With the right setup in place, you manage your operations with the confidence that your entire business is protected. Secure your organization's future today with Hinawi ERP.